Fuel runs through David Granger's veins. He's a car nut and owner of the Guild. But his passions drive him beyond four wheels and the open road.
Well, here we go.
When it comes to hobbies and pastimes, I've pretty much been bitten by every bad one that there is. I mean, horses, airplanes, and of course, cars. They all cost stupid amounts of money, keep you broke, but boy, they're all a lot of fun.
I've actually messed around with cars since I was in my teens. Now I've looked after 2,000 full restorations.
And they all happen here. The place where rare vintage and classic cars come back to life.
It's very easy to say, oh, well, it's just a facility where we restore classic and antique cars. That ranges everything from cars that have gone right back to the turn of the century to a guy who saw a '69 Mustang crossing the lights when he was 14 years of age and fell in love with it.